Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that can product owner and a scrum master be the same person. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are person having you have to deal with the management of software development using the Scrum methodology. So this is a very interesting and important topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, basically it's important to be clear about the roles and responsibilities of the Scrum Master and the product owner. Doing this help understand if it is possible for one person to fill both positions, the Scrum Master and the product owner. So first of all, we have to understand that who is the product owner. And product owner is a key to maximize value of the product created by the development team. They are responsible for managing product backlog, including clearly defining product backlog items, prioritizing the product backlog to achieve the goals and missions, maximizing the value of work undertaken by development team, ensuring clarity of product backlog, defining requirements within the product backlog for the development team. The key takeaway is responsibility. The product owner is crucial to leading on these tasks and must oversee the prioritization of the product backlog in a balanced position between the customer and the development team. And the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master sits in a central position between three competing priorities: supporting the product owner, supporting the development team, and supporting the organization. Scrum Master implement, promote and support Scrum to maximize value. They do this by working with the product owner to clearly clarify goals, scope and product domain while managing the product backlog and understanding future product requirements. Coaching the development team to self-organize, promote cross-functionality, facilitate Scrum events and removing interference from the development process. Leading on the adoption and implementation of a Scrum, creating frameworks to enhance productivity and collaborating with other Scrum Masters in the organization. Within each of these abbreviated points are a much wide range of responsibilities, one of which is knowledge, practice of agility. Key to everything that a Scrum Master oversees is the ability to iterate and improve development on a continual basis. So, and the Scrum Master and the product owner should not be the same role or should not be the same person. On paper, it's clear to see how the roles are structured and assigned to provide separation, but the practicality of combining such roles was argued on a sliding scale. Some saying it could be in the right circumstances, to others who respond with a downright no. These separate roles and responsibilities create an inherent tension between the two. The product owner is responsible for prioritizing work and directs team to focus on completing sprint goals. The Scrum Master facilitates self-organization within the team and protect them from interference. If the Scrum Master and product owner were the same person, it's likely the product owner role would dominate. The product owner represents the interest of the customer, whereby the Scrum Master represents the team. The separation offers a pragmatic argument between the client expectations versus the technical feasibility. The reality is that the product owner shouldn't be involved how it is done. The product owner should focus on what is done and why. The Scrum Master and their team are responsible for how things are done. Interference with this might lead to compromise as well. A product owner sees a finished end product, not the steps involved. They may not have oversight of or familiarity of technologies to understand constraints. Combining the Scrum Master and product owner biases the task and prevents independent subjective mediation at times of divergence. One argument is that product ownership is becoming diminished with a focus on backlog management. Its true position is understanding markets, testing, growth, profitability, and the life cycle. It's unlikely you will get someone skilled enough to own both a product owner and the Scrum Master role. Furthermore, the product owner assumes many responsibilities. They are often supported by other stakeholders to develop the stories and customer journey. The added responsibility of running the development team can overwhelm staff and cause significant stress. Since the product owner is expected to spend the majority of their time with the customer, it would be very difficult for them to devote the necessary amount of time to their team as a Scrum Master. Finally, the Scrum Master role is vital when teams are working as part of an agile release train. The Scrum Master coordinates across teams to ensure the critical success of each sprint, something product owners are likely incapable of doing and inexperienced of managing on a large scale. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.